Hi friends, today we have Yashwant Raghuvanshi, who is here to share his learning journey for GATE 2021 with Applied GATE course. Thank you Yashwant for taking the time.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me.
So can you give us a background about your education and where did you study?
So, sir, actually, now I am in my 4th year BTech currently from Jabalpur Engineering College, with the State Government College in Madhya Pradesh. And so, yeah, I am happy with the marks I am getting in this year's GATE exam. Did a bit more silly mistake than expected.
We'll surely talk about that.
But that's a complete different story, right?
But your preparation and all were pretty good. You're happy with it. Good, very good. So can you shed some light on your preparation and learning strategy from Applied GATE course? When did you start? How did you prioritize and things like that?
Mainly, I don't know where my first 3 years of my college went, right? I can't still figure out where the time flies, right? And when the outbreak happened, we all, get back to our homes, and I sat down and said, what I'm doing, right? Yeah, I need to crack this GATE exam because this is the only thing that, because there are some my school friends which are in an IIT and right now are in some good company like PhonePe and all that, and earning very good, right? So I want probably meet them, beat them in the future and things like that. So I buckled myself and said, okay, it's time to prepare, and I prepared on my own. I said, because I actually when I was preparing for my JEE, I think that it was the coaching that that doesn't mentored me well, and I thought, yeah, it was. I know I'm making a false statement.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
But that's just like we tend to find mistakes in other people, so things like that. So I prepared on my own, and then the scholarship test from you in September that was conducted. Actually, one of my friends from which I came to know about, he is also enrolled student. Unfortunately, didn't get a very good rank, and so yeah, so I already finished. He told me this thing that, buddy, you should see that algorithm videos of yours which are on YouTube, right, for free. So I watched them completely before the scholarship test. So yeah, so I not easily, but yeah, I cracked that exam. And one more thing that I wanted to add about the scholarship test, which was very unique, sir. I have also given, and I'm sure that many people would have given a scholarship test, right, in their careers, right, so in academics. The one thing that I still remember, 1600 people or a little more than that people attempted that exam. And for the first time, firstly you said that only 50 people will get a 100% scholarship, right? But after that, I don't know yet, I got a rank under 50 for sure, but then you extended and said, let's give it for 100 people, right? So that, because I don't want to name any other coaching or that, but people conduct a scholarship test just for the namesake. They will give hardly scholarships to 100% scholarship to 1, 3 or max 5, not more than that. So they are just doing it for the namesake, for their promotion and all. But GATE Applied wants that the deserved ones or the people give a fee waiver to the people who actually deserve those things. So yeah, so got a scholarship, and that thing was a game changer for me, right? Because there are people, very good friends of mine, because who are working, right, who were enrolled in offline coaching, right, but then the outbreak happened, and then they just went to their homes, worked hard, but didn't have as good mentorship and all that we are supported with you people. So yeah, they worked hard, but still didn't get that good rank, because the mentorship, they were enrolled in offline coaching. That offline coaching tried to do these things online, but they can't do it, right? So things like that happen, and yeah.
So my question was also more on, how did you prepare? You said you started preparing on your own. And from September through scholarship, you joined the Applied GATE course. So what did you prepare before September, and how did you prepare from September onwards?
So as I said, before September, I was preparing on my own from that, the notes that are available of yours only, that I used to, that's also like a gift for the people who are preparing, right? Because if we are preparing notes of our own, it will take at least two months for us to prepare. Yes. At least it will take 2 months. So I was preparing, I could not, understand the whole concept and all. I had this thing in my mind that, okay, if I get a good rank this year, that's okay. That if this thing doesn't happen, I'm surely going to take I don't know why I didn't take it for the first time. But yeah, I eventually got it.
Okay. So from September onwards, how did you prepare with the
From
course?
September, because there were very holes in my concept, right, in almost every subject. So what I did, I said, okay, no matter what happened, I will complete the entire course video in 3 months. I had 3 months time. I've said till December. And
September, October, November, December. You tried to finish
I tried to finish it, and by the end, I got the kind of feeling that yeah, I already know these things, right? There are some things, right? The basic things, right? There are things in the videos, and this thing used to come in my mind like, I should, don't do this thing. I'm hurting myself watching the videos again because I know this thing. I said, but the way you teach, right, is phenomenal. So the other day, it's not just me, all the students agreed this thing that it's very hard to believe that you have been just teaching for like three years, like,
yes.
yeah. So, yeah.
But I also had a lot of help from some of our mentors.
Obviously, sir. Yeah,
because they would prepare the notes.
Absolutely.
They would tell me how to correct myself, how to teach better and things like that.
The things like that. So I just said, no matter, okay, I am hurting myself, that's okay, I don't care, I will complete the videos because I'm loving it, right? I wanted, the course content is so intuitive and practical, I just felt like, okay,
so
whatever
from September, even topics you knew, you started going
in 3 months, on December 25th, I think that I completed all the videos in 3 months, obviously watching it at a higher speed, 1.7x and things like that. So, yeah. And completed that, and after that, I was very fortunate enough that there was one COA doubt for me, so I just said this thing that I want a mentor to please call me. So then Subbarao sir called, and I said to him that, sir, no matter what, I want all the 2-year test series that I have heard you saying in one of your general videos that if you complete all the 5,000 questions around, if you complete them, I don't think why you can't get a rank under 100 in it's not me saying, I've heard him saying this, you saying this. So yeah, that thing happened, and I asked him, and he said, okay, do this, prepare this much test in a day, do give this thing and things like that. So yeah, he constantly motivating me and mentoring me through the journey right away.
Very good, very good. So from September onwards, when you started this whole journey,
yes, sir.
When you were going through the videos, right, all the videos without skipping anything at 1.7x,
I was loving it.
Were you also solving some of the exercise problems?
Yeah, I've done almost everything. Which exercise?
So after the videos, you have these practice problems.
Right? I did it complete.
So the
practice questions and the content in like 2-3 months, right? And the test
then
series.
What about tests?
In the last month,
tests, mock tests,
I did that in the last month. I used to give like 7-8 tests in a day. I used to do like that. I didn't used to revise, right? I used to give tests, right? I fixed myself that, okay, this is the time, every 2 hours I need to give, because 1 hour test, right? So I will give a 1 hour test, take a 1 hour break.
1 hour.
1 hour. So these are not the mock tests, right? So you can give, like, if you want to, you can take 7-8 tests in a day. But
7-8 1 hour tests.
7-8 1 hour tests, and analyzing them is also important, right? And I feel like I should have analyzed, and we should analyze our mistakes, because if you are not doing that, it is not helping you. You will commit the same mistake in the next test, the test next after that, and that thing will just keep on going on, and that's not a good thing, right?
True. Yeah. So from December 25th, by the time you finished all the videos and practice questions, from December 25th, you started your whole solving the tests.
Yeah. I completed, this. But revising also, it's not like that December 25th I was like only constantly going through the videos and all, but also revising the previous subject which were completed. So as you said, by December, if you complete your first iteration of revision, and that's great, you can just give one more revision or 2 revisions if possible, and just get good marks.
Very good. Yeah. So overall, you've tried to solve. You've gone through
no.
all the problems.
Yeah, not all. I tried to. In 1 month, I completed like 75-80% of the tests. Yeah.
Oh, so that's a very good. That's a very good number.
This
was all done in literally 1 month.
Almost 1 month, and I took like 1 week of fab. Yeah, you can.
So literally like what, 5-6 weeks.
Yeah, 5-6 weeks.
Very good. So what are your suggestions for students like you who are in their final year of BTech?
Yeah.
If they want to prepare for the next year gate, what would your suggestions be for them?
I would just say that, that working hard is, we all work hard, the people who want to get good ranks, okay, but trust your hard work is very important, because person like me who is very average, very average in 10th, 12th, again in college the same CGP is like 6.5, 7. So done nothing very great in academics so far. So you have this sense of doubt, right? Even if I am working day in, day out, burning myself, but still will I make into that, top 100 ranks? So and things like that, it goes through our mind even if you are working hard. So that's trust your hard work, and analyze your mistakes is very important. If you are not analyzing the test that you are given today, it is not going to help you tomorrow in the the final exam. And one more thing that I wanted to add, the people tend to do these mistakes. We know all these things, but people still do. What we do, and it's the irony that we trying to attempt the test theories in a better way, we end up messing up our the final exam. What we do, for example, in our test series only, the time is allocated to every test, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Then we don't attempt it at that time. What we think that, okay, if I attempt it today, I will not get that mark, I will get demotivated.
We keep postponing it.
But just for why? Because just we want to attempt in a better way. And what we end up with, we end up messing up
so you're saying don't procrastinate or delay, get going.
Yeah.
But it's also a little interesting here that you call yourself an average student.
I am, sir.
But still, you started the serious preparation from September.
Yeah.
Right? And you finished everything in
sir, I will just, because I will say that because the content is important. Like the people say this thing that my preparation was a pain, I took so much pain, so much sweat. I don't think this thing was with me, because I was loving it. I was loving the way you teach. The way you teach is phenomenal. Like it's not like just adding a word applied to the course makes it applied, right? The content is taught in the same manner. For example, I would like to say one thing, linear algebra, right? We all learn this in our schools, colleges, and drop year. I went to Kota, the hub of Kota JEE. Yeah, nobody taught us. Learning from the best institutes for JEE, they never taught us, like, everybody knows, as you were also mentioning this before, that eigenvalues, eigenvectors, it's very easy to find these values and all. But these things actually do, why we are learning this, you give a bit of, the test of real life applications of these things, and for example, matrix, right? That everybody can easily calculate the determinant of a matrix, but I can damn sure that 99% of the people don't know what does the determinant of a matrix mean. And the day I watched that video, I was very pleased, and it was like, untangling a mystery for me, which was, it was, sir, because, we all have that, why we are learning the matrix in the first place, what does determinant actually mean, and things like that. So yeah, these things happen.
So from your September to December, because it's a very fast pace that you finished today, how many hours of effort were you putting in daily?
At least 9 hours, at least 10 hours. 10 hours.
So that's a lot of effort, and you're also watching everything at a faster speed.
I have to, because I have to complete it.
Yeah, because you had shorter period of time. Very true, very true. So if you go back now, and if you have the option to change your preparation strategy, what will you change?
I would revise it. Look, it's like that, I know this thing that while completing a subject, it takes 20, 25, 30 days for a subject to complete. Like, and you already, just what I should say that, is done enough with the subject. I should move on to the new subject, new concept, and things like that. But, and not revising the subject that you have done. I did these mistakes before September.
Before September, you were not revising, you were just reading from textbooks.
And just, the forgetting the concept, things like that, the things that I learned before, and messing, I tried, and then what I have to do, I used to, do that entire subject again. So I did it for like some subject, I used to do the entire subject again, and that this is frustrating, right? You are not wanted to revise at that point, and you end up doing the whole subject again. Yeah, okay. That's the irony of the thing. Okay, cool. So just revise those things and attempt the test series when as fast as possible. Don't just trying to attempt the test series in a better way. Don't don't try to mess up your main exam. You just analyze.
Don't procrastinate and delay it forever.
Yeah.
Okay. No. So any suggestions you have for Applied GATE course on how we can improve for the next batch of students?
It is a very hard question to answer, because I think I'm not enrolled to any other institutes, but I will not say the GATE Applied is best, but I would say that Applied course is complete. Right? I don't think actually that there are many any things that you can point out that where you can improve. Okay, obviously you will do it from your side, I'm sure about that.
We still want to learn from our students, because
but at this
we
point
had some phenomenal ideas from other students. So if you have any ideas, please let us know.
Because at this moment I don't think
at any point, even
we can add this in a comment video.
Sure. No, not just that. At any point in the future, if you think we can improve, please let us know. And any questions you have for us?
So, sir, the only question that I had, because I wanted to, to go in these machine learning roles, because I have a love for mathematics, right, and especially the probability and the statistics.
I see that because you enjoyed determinant information.
So actually, in my BTech also, I used to, my love for the mathematics is fading away. I don't want to, so I just wanted to ask that what I should do in these, next 3-4 months before joining.
So my suggestion for you is get slightly comfortable with data structures algorithms, but also focus on 3 things: linear algebra, probability statistics,
yes,
calculus, especially minima maxima. The minima maxima
yeah,
concept is very important for mathematical optimization.
Okay.
If you can learn it from vector calculus using partial derivatives, that is better.
Okay.
So only 3 concepts: linear algebra, probability statistics, vector calculus,
and data
only differentiation, minima maxima. You don't have to know integrations and all that.
Okay.
This is the basic mathematics behind all of machine learning. So if you're comfortable with this, whichever university you go to for your masters,
yeah,
you will easily do well.
Okay.
Right? So
Yeah.
all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions?
No. Yeah. I can ask you afterwards.
Sure, please.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.